Hello everyone. Welcome back to Guide Pro. Are you facing a login issue on Reddit? Unable to access your account or seeing a lock message? Today I will show you how to fix Reddit login problems step by step. First, open Chrome or any other browser on your phone or PC. In the search bar, type Reddit Help Center and open it. Now tap on the search option inside the Help Center. Type "cannot log in" and search. Tap on the first result that says "My account has been disabled or locked." Here Reddit explains possible reasons why your account is not accessible. Read the information carefully and try the suggested steps first. If you still cannot access your account, scroll down. Now tap on Submit an inquiry about your account status. This will open a support request form. In the Assistance drop-down menu, select Account Help. Now enter the email address linked to your Reddit account. Next, open the Issue Type drop-down. Select Account Status from the list. In the Account Status option, select My account has been locked. Now enter your Reddit username carefully. Answer the questions that ask if you can log into your account. Also answer whether you are receiving password reset emails or not. In the subject field, write a clear inquiry title about your login issue. In the Details section, briefly explain your problem in simple words. Attach any screenshots or files if you feel they are necessary. Finally, tap on Submit to send your request to Reddit support. Wait for a response on your email from Reddit. Support replies may take some time, so be patient. If this video helped you, give it a like. Subscribe to Guide Pro for more app fixes and account recovery guides. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.